Guys, Ohio Power Tool. Look at this. Now you can get a fully stocked PackOut with both metrics and SAE sockets in it. They're on pre-order, so you're good there. Get that ordered. Also, unlike Home Depot only getting it, now Ohio Power Tool has both the slim and metric and SAE, so you can get your slim PackOut. I'll be getting one of these. And if you already bought one of these sets, look at this. You can get the dual trays, and that's a killer price, $19.97. That's awesome. And you can get the individuals. So if you had already bought one of these smaller sets like this, and you were cutting up your tray, now you can get a new tray that's meant to fit the PackOut. You can put one on the left side, one on the right side, or you can put them in a slim. And if you're going to do both, one on each side, this is a better deal. If you look at this guy. This thing has got one for the center bin, and then you got your left and your right for your SAE and metrics. That's awesome. So I'll post a link for where you can get some of these, and enjoy all your stuff, and don't forget to pack out.